Rainbow cover page of option trading plan. Follow the timetable. Implement constitution representation as per population proportion. 10 points for world reform. Take your salary. Payment for 300 EL. Minimum 5,000 and maximum 10,000 and average 7,500 conveyance bill. Average expenses on medical. Average expenses on the house, etc. Start improving your English by revising your previous learning and audiobook. Wait for your loss recovery environment. If the market start falling in reality, the Reliance, TCS and large cap stocks indexes will be up, and mid cap, small cap and volatile stocks and indexes will be down. If the market is down, the Reliance, TCS and large cap stocks indexes will go up first, then mid cap, small cap and volatile stocks and indexes will go up later. Keep a very close eye when all-time high become resistance. Index try to break it several times but fail to break it. Then you start building your put position as per plan. We we lost our 99% money due to one unplanned quantity of capital. Select between 1 to 4 indexes out of Nifty mid cap. Select Nifty financial services, Nifty bank, Nifty 50. When it comes 50 points down from all time high, buy one lot. Put 50 points out of the money. Stop loss is 100 points out of the money from all time high. Increase one lot with each 50 points down. This sequence can be maintained by increasing or decreasing call quantity. 2. Unplanned quantity of profit. Increase quantity in profit only as per quantity table or plan. 3. Unplanned quantity before profit converted into big loss. Several times our profit turned into a big loss. At that time our mind went blank and bought so many quantities to cover losses as soon as possible, but instead of covering loss we faced huge losses. So before your profit converts into loss, sell all quantities and keep the quantity as per point 1. Before and during previous parliamentary election and corona time, market was going up, but after parliamentary election and corona time, market gone down very rapidly. Check Nifty chart. Open your computer and start trading only after 1:30 p.m. after opening of European market, after date 15, near to monthly expiry or weekly expiry. Identify and discuss the other golden environment of trade. Never overtrade. Due to overtrade, you will not be able to keep account of your trade. Your profit trade can be theft. You need to pay high taxes on profit and different charges on each trade. So never do overtrade. Do positional trading. The environment is in your favor to keep till 325 one day before expiry, because on expiry premium decay is very high. Avoid trading on day of expiry. Identify which news, how much it affect a particular index. A smart trader build position as per news, so the market moves in that direction, so you also build a position accordingly. Buy both call and put in large quantities for other or BTST during closing one day before the news. Whichever money you put in stock market, presume first that it will become zero. Never start a computer or take a single trade when Nifty is in green. If market is in downtrend, start with one lot, put increase quantity in profit only after 1 p.m. when all global and option chain data is showing negative. Nifty index is in red. Nifty any Nifty index is in red and closest to expiry or available at cheapest price in the money. Out of Nifty Midcap Select, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank, Nifty 50. Trade with a small call or put strike price in the money. Nifty Rest 30 is the stop loss. If Nifty strike price goes below Rest 30, exit from trade immediately on the day of expiry also. At present, Nifty goes above 21,000. We will keep call mainly. Nifty goes below 21,000. We will keep put mainly. Rainbow cover page of option trading plan. Increase profit and quantity from support or resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money. Cover loss from profit. One table of contents. Two timetable rainbow trend and momentum timetable of global market. Three process to learn and start working in the stock market. Kernels. 4. Take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. 2 underline 4618. 5. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which we were not following. 10 paragraphs. 6. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. 2 underline 4618. 7. Trade starts on Friday 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. 7. Speed plan to trade. 8. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. Image 822. 9. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information trend table. 10. Market range is decided mainly by option data. 9 points in the middle. 11. Our main plan and Hero Zero plan to become experts. Do very hard work to identify the right trend. 12. Price and quantity table for the Hero Zero plan table. 13. Decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put table. 14. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and Hero Zero plan. 10 points and one underline. 15. Simple process to start, buy and keep only one lot in loss and increase quantity in profit only. Option selling. 16. Stop loss rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. Mantra 19 points. 17. Maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first targets. Table 20 to 35 points. 18. In case of profit, the minimum stop loss is given to underline 4618. 19. If quantity increase, call side, put side or both side without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Clean 9 paragraphs. 20. Suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and all put table to follow table. 21. Improvement suggested after 2,50,000 loss. 5 paragraphs. 22. 5 main points given by 5 Rainbow team members. Image 822. Two timetable. Serial number start and work. 1-6 wake up. 2-6 to 6:50 housework and make breakfast. 3-6:50 to 7:30 get ready for school. 4 7:30 to 2:15 school time share market. 5 2:15 to 2:25 change. 6 2:25 to 2:50 lunch. 7 2:50 to 3:30 share market. 8 3:30 to 4 full day share market discussion. 9 4 to 5 study school homework. 10 5 to 5:30 yoga. 11 5:30 to 6:15 park physical activity. 12 6:15 to 7:20 video topic discussion analysis. 13 7:20 to 8 housework dinner making. 14 8 to 8:30 dinner. 15 8:30 to 9 hobby study extra activity. 16 9 to 9:50 TV. 17 9:50 to 6 sleep. Rainbow trend and momentum timetable of global market. 9 trading starts towards day trend. 9:15 markets gives bounce back. 9:25 square of position of out of the money and against the trend. Market moves towards day trend. 9:35 market gives bounce back. 10 market moves towards day trend. 12:30 global market opens, candle indicates in that direction. 1:30 market moves towards day trend. 3 trader square of position and market moves against day trend and towards global market direction. 320 close and bull position and hedge as per trend and global market direction. Change out of money into in the money at cheap price. Three process to learn and start working in stock market kernels. Stock market in general and option trading in execution at present as a family business. Knowledge needed, skills required, information needed on the trading day, infrastructure, capital, supervised and under observation in trade minimum period, minimum experience needed to trade independently, plan your days up, down and range trend strategies, presume every aspect of market and operators FII DII moves in advance. How to start? Before starting your trade we must be aware about stop loss and target. How to take profit, presume and discuss in advance that how you will book profit or loss. How to take loss, always presume in advance about every aspect of market. How to close a trade, before starting your trade you must be aware about trade movement in advance. Analyze your day's mistakes and accuracies, your new learning and experience today. Kernels goodly use as or become seeds bees. When we sow kernels, seeds become trees. We need to grow our plan and strategy as seeds grow and become a big tree. Seeds equal to starting point equal to raise 1 per lot equal to raise 20,000 capital equal to buy in the money, call or put at raise 1 after some time with difference of 1 strike price, buy, call or put another side. So the following two plans are our seeds and the required minimum capital is raise 10,000 at strike price at raise 1. So the below given plans are the starting points to think about and make different plans and strategy as per different market environment and movements. Best plan 1 scalp with in the money, call and put with unlimited quantity as per plan for unlimited profit. Start with one lot and increase quantity in profit only. We lost our all money because we were buying both call and put at same strike price and out of the money. Both call and put of no premium can be buy. Weakness in this plan is if the market is giving big movement either up or downside, then our quantity and loss may increase on loss side. The solution is buy, call and put with no premium. Defense mechanism is continuously increase or decrease call or put at profit side or loss side to protect yourself from premium decay. And always try to decrease your average price by continuously buying and selling. If you lose if your loss is continuously increasing, then try to minimize your quantity and loss, but never make your quantity maximum as per your limit in loss. Best plan 2 buy call and put with no premium and sell call and put with maximum premium. The flow in only selling is that it will maximize your loss if the market keeps growing, as it will also increase the quantity on the loss side. However, if the market keeps growing in the direction of the profit side, you will only be able to make a little profit there. Seats equal to first by minimum price in the money put or call, then second and then second after some time buy the cheapest in the money call or put. Try to increase the quantity in profit only. Always try to buy cheapest call or put in the money or near to in the money at the cheapest price. It might be less than 1 rupee also. So buy as much cheaper in the money we are buying, that much it's good for our plan and strategy. So if our profit increases from one side, then we have opportunity to buy cheapest on the opposite side. So take the advantage of this golden opportunity and buy at the cheapest price in the money. If the market continues moving to one side, your profit will increase uh, on the same side. But if the market gives reversal, then you get profit on other side. Keep it in mind that premium decay is your major enemy. To counter premium decay, buy and sell at cheapest in the money on regular interval, which is your best friend. So take advantage of your friend and keep ready and implement a ready-made and tailor-made strategies and plan to protect yourself from your enemy, that is premium decay in buying side. But on the selling side, your best friend is premium decay. So take the benefit of premium decay in selling. Grow like seeds to tree, and our seeds equal to starting point to think, make plan, strategy and implement equal to a minimum price in the money at one side, and after getting benefit in one side, then only cheapest in the money in the other side in option buying. For take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience to underline 4618. Take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. Otherwise, our and our family capital and life will be finished, as we made a mistake on September 28, 2023 by selling our position after 3:15 p.m. on expiry, and all traded amounts and profit got zero. Our amount was reduced from raise 1 lakh to raise 45,000 without any loss. On September 28, 2023, after 3:30 p.m. and after finishing my all trade, my cash was showing raise 86,335.59, and my loss was showing as 7,888.50. But today my part of profit was not included in my total case, and it got reduced to res 45,422.84. In option trading, all the plans have their weakness, so we must be knowing and discussing the strength and weakness of our plan before starting trading, and defense mechanism to protect ourselves from those weaknesses. Every day the market environments get changed, and the market also changes its behavior and movement as per the data, global environment and option chain. We must we must have different ready-made and tailor-made plans and strategies for different types of market environment and momentum in advance with their weakness and strengths. We need to adopt different plans and strategies for different types of market trend. Points, places of biggest loss. One, we could not identify the right minutes, hours, day, week, month, years, trend of the market, and traded against the trade. 2. We could not use stop loss. 3. We could not learn how to book loss. 4. We could not learn how to book profit. 5. We buy call or put at the money or out of the money slowly or on the day of expiry rapidly become zero. 6. When the market gives a big reversal. 7. When the market gives a big moment towards upside or downside. 8. When we did not keep a hedge quantity or removed hedge quantity. Points, places of biggest profit. 1. First profit we book with call hedge quantity. 2. We bought 2200 put quantity in a downtrend. 3. After opening European market green, a trend change to the upside, we bought 400 quantities. 4. Book profit several times when we kept both call and put and bought at down and sold high both call and put. If we would have adopted an appropriate plan and strategy for different types of market movement, then most of losses were converted into profit. So be very careful and vigilant to adopt different types of plan and strategies for different types of market. Never adopt only one type of strategy for all type of market movement. One today profit was 32,000 but holding was 1,000 put and 800 call. Due to premium decay, profit remains only 10,000. 2. Start with 50 calls and 50 puts and increase quantity with profit only. Increase and decrease quantity as per given table. 3. After crossing 12,000 profit, stop loss will be 10,000 profit, then new strike will start. 4. Start a new strike after booking 10,000 profit or 2,000 losses. It means 2,000 losses is stop loss and 10,000 profits are the first targets. 5. Keep only one strike price or strike price of put or call active. If needed, one strike price of both call and put may be kept. If we keep more than one or two strike price, then rapid premium decay will start. 6. This plan is for the fast moving market with at the money and nearest out of the money. Normally all plans will be applicable. Five, follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which we were not following. 10 paragraphs. Never buy both call and put at one time, because on September 20 and 21 we made a profit of rest 1 lakh in put, but at the same time we took a loss of more than rest 1 lakh in call. So never buy both calls and put together. During Hero Zero and other trades, on one side was profit and on the other side was a big loss. and the loss was continuously increasing due to premium decay. Ultimately, we took a big loss and could not take advantage of the available opportunity. We have taken lakhs of losses due to premium decay and by buying calls and puts together. For the overnight position, we must hedge in double and half sequence. Never buy more than 50 points in the money without a hedge or plan, because due to these mistakes we took a loss of 2,50,000 one time and 1 lakh another time. We can start with one lot and sell it at support or resistance. From there we can buy it again. We can go for reversal or continuation after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, Telegram, etc. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which you are not following. Decide to take trade after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, Telegram, etc. And having an evening and morning discussion with all Rainbow family members regarding whether we buy a call or put. But keep in mind stop loss and targets, and buy only one call or put in one time. Seats for the option seller is 1. And buy call and put both with no premium, and sell call and put both with maximum premium. Limitation: it is beneficial only in stable and range bound market. As much range bound market, that much premium is available at the money or out of the money strike price. Different mechanism or risk management. Different mechanism, defense mechanism or risk management. Defense mechanism or risk management: change your strike price as per market movement to maximize your profit, and be very careful and vigilant on market movement, and be quick to change strike price to make profit. Seeds have the lowest cost and the least amount of loss, because on the day we lost everything. Nifty in the money call and put both were available at race 1. The biggest error occurred when we bought call and put both at strike price between race 1 and 25. The difference in price between the call and put would always be race 50. The nearest in the money Nifty was available at 1 rupees, but it would become 0 until the evening. We won't ever experience a loss if you keep buying cheap and selling high. This is our seed plan. In the money strike price can be purchased on one side, and if there is profit margin of rest 25 to 50, then buy call or put other side. In order to increase our capacity and risk management limit, this would be the seed for option buying. In order to create a tree with the latest amount of cost and loss and the greatest amount of profit. So on the day of finishing our all money, our biggest mistake was we bought call and put at same strike price. Biggest solution is that there must be difference of one side and other side price rest 50. In this case we will be either in one side profit or in both side profit.
6. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. To underline 4, 6, 18. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. Follow the timetable, all housework, take your morning food. You are fit, not ill. You have to remind everyone about the planned videos. You have checked all the data and know the market trend. Never buy more than the quantity listed if you are at a loss. Stand for option buying. Option buying would be profitable and on any side market movement. If the market moves upside, then profit would be in call buy, and if the market moves down, then profit would be in put buy. If you buy call and put both with no premium, which is available at high price, then in stable market there would be no loss. In a up market there would be less loss in put and more profit in call due to increase of premium in put and in down market there would be less loss in call and more profit in put due to increase of premium in call. Strength for option selling and weakness. In stable market or range bound market, option selling is profitable. If we sell options out of the money, both call and put, then in stable market, range bound market, there would be profit and both sides, but in big movement in any side will lead to big loss. In this trade, be very careful and exit from trade immediately. In big movements, any side, go for option buying. We have lost our 99% money due to trade without hedging, or we have removed our hedge. If we have bought one call or put in the money, after some time bought call or put another side with 50 points difference and counter the premium decay by continuously buying or selling both sides at cheap price, then most of the time we were in profit. So you must know due to which reason you were continuously getting profit and why you got loss and why you are getting loss continuously. So now we know why we lost all our money, why we were getting profit continuously, and why we were in loss continuously. Now we will not start as option buyer. Now we will mainly option sell. We are mainly option seller and buy the option accordingly and with profit only. Wrong trade stop in beginning only. Otherwise, as you know your weakness, you will not be able to exit from wrong trade later and finish with big loss. If you don't want to be loser, so never start with wrong trade. Exit from trade immediately when you know that you have taken wrong trade. My biggest weakness is when I take a wrong trade to or reach and keep wrong trade, and at that I could not exit and finish with very big losses. This was the end of my all money, including rupees 20,000 taken from Mr. Manik. 99% money I lose in out of the money strike price trade. So never trade in out of the money strike price. Whenever strike price become out of the money, then sell the trade immediately. And also 99% money I lost in recovering of loss. So never try to recover losses. Always try to start fresh. Avoid buy today, sell tomorrow, BTST trade. Every day start fresh and close in evening. Most favorable time to trade is after 1 p.m. or before opening of European market. Become advanced and presume and discuss in advance the expiry strike price, operators, FII, DII move, global market opening and closing. We lost our all money by taking unplanned trade. Stop yourself from unplanned trade. Otherwise, you will lose everything and you will finish yourself and your family. Give first priority and do everything to stop yourself from unplanned trade. As today I bought 1,000 quantity at rupees 19 price by thinking that the price will not go below, but it's reached to rupees 0.50. Sell call at top and put at bottom at start of the week and month of expiry. 2 lots is nearest out of the money. By doing this, you will earn minimum rupees 2,000 days. First, make yourself satisfied with this amount. This is first step to make yourself disciplined, because you are very undisciplined and you lost your all money due to this indiscipline. This amount is more than enough for beginning and stability. Best opting is Bank Nifty because the premium is very high and strike price difference is 100 points. You can start in the middle and operators will not be able to close your strike price, because most of the time operators try to finish the expiry at strike price only. Plan your trade accordingly if big profit, but with profit only, not with your capital. 7. Trade starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. 7. Speed plan to trade. 7. Speed plan to trade with 1. In the money with no premium. 2. In the money with premium. 3. At the money. 4. 1 strike price out of the money. 5. 2 strike price out of the money. 6. 3 strike price out of the money. 7. 4 strike price out of the money. Best day of trade is 1 day earlier of expiry. Best time is after 1:30 and after opening the European market. Best price is above rupees 30. The best place to stop loss is rupees 30 and below. Start with one lot if the stop loss is rupees if the stop loss of rupees 30 hits, buy 2 lot of 1 strike price above. If stop loss of rupees 30 hits again, then buy 3 lots of 1 strike price above. If stop loss of rupees 30 hits again, then hereafter continue the same in the same sequence. Mr. Manik put in large quantity at a small price one day and he got a 750 rupee profit, and another day he got a 1000 profit. There is no excuse for not following the rules. 1. Trend not followed of 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3, 6 or 12 month. 2. Always increase profit. 3. Never try to recover a loss. 4. In greed, don't lose your savings. 5. We are put option traders. We don't do anything in up market against the trend. 6. Buy 10 to 30 points earlier to 70 and 30 points. 70 and 30 points would be stop loss in expectation of reversal, because 95% give reversal from 100 points and 80% give reversal from 50 points in its first attempt. In the second, third and fourth attempts, it becomes weaker and can break easily. So trade for continuation or reversal accordingly. For big profit, identify big trend and reversal by checking historical data, date and points of reversal, measure reasons of reversal, import incidents, news with market or become a major reason for the reversal of market. A list of all dates and incidents, days and time of effect. We lost our 100% money because we could not identify and capture the right trend. Not use a stop loss. Not capped or removed our hedge quantity. We traded in the wrong trend without SL. Check historical data as of how much or for many days the election etc. affected the market. If you follow your plan strictly, there will be no chance of loss. You will only have profit. 1. The maximum limit is 25% of the available amount in the account. 2. Never do scalping or anything in loss. 3. Start with one lot only. 4. Today we did not follow the stop loss plan and exited at 70 and 30. 5. We did not follow the plan that we had to exit in profit only and take a loss of 1,50,000. To recover a loss of rupees 1 lakh in bracket 90,000, we took a loss of rupees 60,000. To recover this amount, we took a loss of rupees 90,000 extra on September 7, 2023. The total loss was 2,50,000. 6. We could have stopped at 35, 30, 25, 20 and 15, but we could not stop at any place and lost rupees 1,50,000 rupees. It has been proven that losses start on Friday at the start of the news expiry, because the strike price and premium decay are very high. Monday also starts with a previous day of loss. Thursday expiration days also started with previous losses, and we could not recover from them and faced huge losses. The solution is to start with one call or put, after some time one put or Call with no premium. SL is when it become out of the money. No cheap prices on both sides. Increase quantity only if it is profitable. Otherwise, trade with one lot of call and put only. In this way, loss would be limited and profit would be unlimited. Eight. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. Image 822. Hero Zero plan is profit and Hero Zero plan in profit and with profit only, never with capital. Buy 1000 cheap put and call near to expiry and add the money. Decrease the quantity from loss side and increase profit and quantity by scalping in profit side only. But don't forget to put stop loss before doing scalping. Do not increase or decrease the quantity if it crosses the rate below or above. If you do not follow stop loss in scalping, so it can give you big loss and stop you to make big profit. If the profit amount is less, then quantity may be decreased, and profit amount is more, then quantity may be increased. Check data before trading. Account position and amount in trading account. European, American and Asian market trended including global market. Check, analyze and compare Asian markets with Nifty 50 to know their trend and momentum. ADR of major stocks like Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, etc. Option chain data. Nifty 50 stocks trend. All 12 Nifty index trend. Dollar index, crude oil prices, dollar rupee prices, market trend and sentiments. Major news. Study and discuss all those factors given in video who affect markets. We have divided stock market topics in 60 parts which can be studied and discussed date-wise, 2 topics on one date, by connecting our stock market topics with our school syllabus topics. Things to check, analyze and discuss with Rainbow team members. Rainbow team members is: first, check which plan is being implemented. Second, the market environment, data option change and market movement. Then third, decide and explain the weakness, limitation and implemented plans and strategy then. Fourth, give the best plan and strategy for the present market environment and movement. Instead of increasing your own plan, link it with the best option selling strategies. The most important thing to know is different plan and a different strategy for different type of market movement, analyzing, making plans, implementing plans, working on strength and weakness continuously. Finally, suggestion and discussion. If the market is not moving or moving in a very small range, then sell the option. Then sell the option, both call and put, at the market or out of money. If the market is in range box for a very long time, when it breaks the range box, then the market gives a big movement. But be careful, this can be false, fake breakout, and the market can give a very sharp and big reversal. 9. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information. Trade trend table. The maximum 2000 loss is the stop loss and at any cost or in any circumstances. So start changing the strike price at 250 loss only, so that we cannot reach to a maximum limit of 2000 stop loss. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information, and then decide to trade with either call or put or both sides as per the given trend. Serial number, market normal, top resistance, bottom support. 1. Very bullish, call. 0 put, 0 call. 2. Bullish, call with less put for hedging. Sell one call at the money or nearest out the money. Change the strike price when it becomes in the money. Sell one put at the money or nearest out the money. Change the strike price when it becomes in the money. 3. 3. Volatile. Both call and put increase quantity as per profit. Buy next put after a minimum 2000 loss keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after a minimum 2000 loss keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 4. Very bearish. Put. Buy next put after a minimum 1000 loss keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after a minimum 1000 loss keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 5. Bearish. Put with less call for hedging. Buy next put after a minimum 500 loss keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after a minimum 500 loss keeping in mind risk management and available balance. The best option is keep only call or put in the trending side with stop loss. But sometime in volatile market stop loss hit both sides, so we need to buy both call and put turn by turn whenever it's available at cheap price only. Always buy either call or put in one time. Never buy call and put together. When the call is available at cheap prices, then buy a call. If after some time put is available at cheap prices, then buy put also. But keep in mind that profit must be increasing. If it is decreasing, then reduce the quantity as soon as possible. Always keep 50 points in the money by changing strike price and booking profits or loss. Keep one lot of strike price if it is in the profit of more than 250 or 500 or 1000. Change the strike price on the same side. 10. Market range is decided mainly by option data. 9 points in the middle. Market range is decided mainly by option data. If option data is one-sided, the volatility range can be increased. If call sellers are more than put sellers, buy put from up. If the put sellers are more than a call sellers, then buy a call from bottom. The way the market moved today demonstrated how completely the operators and large traders control the market. Although the market was declining today, the operators wanted in the morning to close it at 19,800, so they managed the market to move only 10 to 20 points up or down, and the market closed at 19,800 only. We need to predict the type of market in which the operator has scheduled the closure based on data from option chain, call and put transactions. Make appropriate trade planning. Yesterday and today we exceeded our quantity without prior planning, which led to large losses on both days. Recall that in a rapidly moving market, if you are increasing volumes after booking profit, the strike price shouldn't be greater than 20 and on expiry day not more than ₹6. The market type and closure on the base of option chain data and market trend and strength. 1. At the strike price. 2. A reduced market close. 3. The market closed higher. 4. After an up or down side moment, the market makes a significant reversal. 5. The market moves in 3 ranges: large, medium and small. 6. Market will open upside to go down. 7. Market will open down to go up. 8. After moving up or down, market close at strike price or upside or downside. 9. Market move up or down, then give large, medium and small bounce back, then continue to move. Keep the quantity in control all the time. Minimum quantity at bottom or maximum quantity at the top as per plan. Because whenever we lose our control and increase quantity without plan, we face huge loss. So never lose your control either in slow, medium or fast moving market or in big, medium or small profit and loss. buy in the money strike price near rupees 20 in fast moving market so that your profit can be unlimited, and in case of loss it's limited to 20 only. Because we were in rupees 25,000 profit and book some profit and bought same or extra quantity at small price, then market has given very strong reversal and we face loss of rupees 21,000 same day and rupees 50,000 at the next day. So never increase quantity without plan and strategy in case of worst result. So always keep in mind the worst side of trade and keep plan and strategy ready to protect yourself. The quantity bought at less than 20 will be separate from one quantity bought at rupees 120 as per plan. Keep in mind that quantity bought at rupees 20 has more chance to become zero. In increased quantity there is more chance to lose. And in Hero Zero plan, all the time we faced huge loss in very small time. So all the time keep in control and not increase quantity without plan. Always keep in mind the worst side of your trade result and your surviving strategy before taking any decision to trade. All the time start fresh, which if you try to recover your previous loss, you will lose your all money. We purchased call and puts today and our combined loss was steadily rising. At times the calls were profitable while the put were not, so we were not selling. If things continue this way, sell the profitable part first, then sell the other side as it starts to make profit or near to recover loss.
11. Our main plan and Hero Zero plan to become expert. Do very hard work to identify the right trend. If the market is falling, keep the given put. If the market is rising, buy the call for hedging and scalping. If the market is in range, scalp with both put and call. Be careful and prepared for the big momentum. On one side, by keeping the quantity on the quantity range, scalp with both put and call. Be careful and prepared for big momentum. On one side, by keeping the quantity of the trend side only. Practice is needed to become an expert in this setup. By using this setup, we can earn our livelihood daily and also get huge profits when opportunities are available. But we take a risk only on profit. Never take a risk on loss or capital. At the top, start with only one put and keep increasing one put after each rupee 1,000 loss. After reaching the first target level, buy one call and keep increasing one call after each rupees 1,000 loss, and keep increasing one call after each rupees 1,000 loss. After reaching the second target level, sell one put after increasing 1,000 profit. At the bottom, call may be used at the base of put. Some changes can be made by as per market movement. Because on September 2023, we had a profit of rupees 25,000 at put, but between 230 and 330, our rupees 25,000 profit converted into rupees 6,000 loss. If we could have started buying calls as per the above plan and increased the quantity of profit only, we could have increased our profit or saved some of the profit. After comparison between Nifty Midcap, Select Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank and Nifty 50, consider starting to buy one call from the most down index and one put from the most up index per the above plan. Keep patience when the market moves very slow or not move or move very rapidly against your trade. As it moves 25 to 2,500p. Wait until the market moves as per your plan. If the market moves against your trade, it means you fail to identify identify or predict right trend, so do a hard work on it. Strong psychology. Never divert from selling, otherwise the opportunity will be missed. Most positive thing is option buying. Is that if you buy with no then premium, then if the market moves 100 points, the profit will be rupees 100. But if the market moves 100 points against the trade, you will have only rupees 50 losses. Take advantage of this golden point. On 29 November 2023, in loss we kept so many strike prices and tried to average to cover losses, but we could not cover losses and took a loss of rupees 82,884.75. So how to book losses? Start with only one strike price near 100 points away from the index. Try to average to cover the loss. When it's become out of the money, then exit from trade at once and then change the right price. First, make a profit from option selling. Take a risk on that profit only for option buying or Hero Zero plan. Increase quantity, profit only. How to take profit? Book profit from upper strike price and buy lower strike price with some extra quantity, but be very careful. If it comes to loss, first sell all and keep only one lot. If we will not bring to one lot, then our all money, all profit becomes a big loss after reversal. And 90% times, our biggest profit converted into a biggest loss several times. Several times. Very careful, and either we keep only one lot or keep in the money quantity on an amount which is allowed or bearable if it's become zero. 12. Price and quantity table for the Hero Zero plan table. Hero Zero plan. Start Hero Zero by keep and increase in the money from rupees 10 and add the money from rupees 5. Otherwise, we will face a big loss as we have taken losses of 90,000, 25,000, 12,000, 6,000 and 3,000 in very small time. So we will face a big loss as we several times. Try to make the average price less than zero to minimum. Otherwise, whatever amount you use for your zero trade will become zero or minimum. Most of the time, the index moves 20 to 20 points up and down at one main strike price, because due to at the strike price, several times our money becomes zero. So buy 50 points in the money. If there is a very high chance to move the index up or down, then only buy at the money. Increase the 50 points in the money quantity after 1 p.m. to cover loss as much as possible. A table of losses is given below to cover loss or book loss by keeping different index or strike price at a good level and premium. Increase quantity for big and unlimited profit in profit only. Today we took more than 2,000 losses and made a big loss in the previous day 2 trade. Today also we traded in loss and could not exit after a 2,000 loss. So follow the plan. Never trade in losses and exit when trades hit 2,000 losses. Price and quantity are given in the table for the Hero Zero plan. In Hero Zero, always buy on deep and sell on high. On the day of expiry, in put and call. Call was 30 points undervalued and put was 30 points overvalued. Always trade with undervalued assets and book profit from time to time. Due to this problem, we faced a huge loss of 25,000 on September 21, 2023. So, we always increase quantity as per plan with profit only. Today's biggest mistake was that we bought 200 calls and rupees 70, but the price was moving near to 35 and 40. Our plan was to decrease the price in the Hero Zero plan and not increase it, which we could not recover. The most powerful and cheapest plan, the only and most favorite time for option buyers is after 1 p.m. and before starting the European market on the day of expiry. Start with one call and one put. Increase quantity buying at a cheap price to decrease the price or bring the price in minutes or increase the quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid the above given first situation. One answer may be to try to bring the price down, buy and sell at regular intervals to avoid premium decay. Always buy no premium strike price in Hero Zero. How to start? On the day of expiry after 1 p.m. or before starting the European market, buy one call and after some time one put. Increase quantity by buying at a cheap price to decrease the price or increase quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid the above given worst situation. One answer may be try to bring price in minutes. Buy and sell on regular intervals to avoid premium decay. Made mistakes several times and worst situation in this plan too must avoid or save yourself. Bought Nifty 1000 PA and ECE both at 19,800 strike price on the day of expiry on November 23, 2023. Market moved 10 points up and down both sides, finally closed at 1900. We faced loss of 50,000. Follow the plan with 50 points in the money, no premium strike price. 13. Decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put table. Decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put. Quantity table. Start buying with one call from support or one put from a resistance. Never buy a call or put together. If you want to buy call first, sell all put. If you want to buy put first, sell all the calls. Otherwise, you will face a huge loss due to premium decay. The quantity table starts from approximately at 100 points plus for put, approximately 100 points minus for call. Strike price call put, strike price call put. 14. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and Hero Zero plan. 10 points and one underline. 1. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money because from here the profit amount increases equally but the loss amount does not. So keep changing the strike price after each 50 point on both the call and put sides. 2. For taking advantage of one side market, keep buying at a small price in the money, increase quantity as profit increases and scalp from whenever it gets an opportunity. 3. Never trade in loss. Start with one lot. If you want to increase quantity on the loss side, you can buy one lot at another strike price and continue the same. But never trade on the loss side. It means we can buy one lot after 50 points on the loss side. 4. After 1 p.m. premium decay stops because premium decay has already been added, especially on the day of expiration. 5. Option shall stop trading after 2:30 p.m. on the day of expiry and buys of the option get active. 6:00 timing is between 1 to 2:30 and 3 to 15. Price between 10 and 40. 7. Hero Zero plan start below rupees 50 points in the money with one lot to watch trend near 100 points, which is support or resistance and volatile points most of the time or in slow range bond market. Hero Zero plan is not beneficial for option buyers. Only sometimes it is very beneficial for option buyer in fast moving overbought or sold market or mostly on the day of monthly expiry. Identify which market is not or very beneficial. 8. If we plan both call and put of no premium, there must be success on one side after flowing all the plans. 9 after 3:15 on the day of expiry, settlement start. So new traders cannot take advantage of profit at that time, and out of the money at buy times become zero. But in the money, previous traders can take advantage. 10 if there is more chance for a bigger movement due to bigger news or any reason, then buy, call and put both big and same quantity to buy today and sell tomorrow. Trade BTST or any time trade whenever there is a chance for a big movement. Follow the same. Simple process to start. Buy and keep only one lot in loss and increase quantity in profit only. Option selling. Buy Nifty 1 call, put out of the money, 10% premium at near 7. Sell 1 call, put at the money or nearest out of the money. 100 premium at near 70 to close. First buy, call, then sell, call, increase quantity, profit only, and change the strike price when it becomes in the money, or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 1. Buy 1 lot call at bottom or 1 lot put at support at a price near rupees 120 by following all rules. 2. The stop loss is rupees 80, so whenever it becomes near rupees 80, first sell and then buy 1 upper strike price near rupees 120 by following all the rules. 3. Never buy and keep more than 1 lot at loss. 4. Increase the quantity of profit by selling 1 lot at the upper strike price and then buying 2 lots at the lower strike price. 5. Buy whichever expiry is near and 1 lot is available at a low price. Days of expiry: Monday Nifty mid cap, Tuesday Nifty, Wednesday Nifty bank. Monthly and quarterly contracts of the banking index will continue to expiry on Thursday Nifty 50, Friday BSE, Sensex 30 and Bank X. Option selling at the top in bearish market. 1. Buy Nifty 1 call and call out the money 10% premium at near 7. Sell 1 call and the money or near out the money 100% premium at near to 70 close to close. First buy call, then sell call, increase quantity in profit only, and change the strike price when it becomes in the money, or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000. Keep in mind risk management and the available balance. To buy Nifty 1 call and near 25 out of the money, sell 1 call at the money or near it out of the money at 70 to close. First buy call, then sell call, increase quantity in profit only, change the strike price when it becomes in the money, or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000. Keeping in mind risk management and available balance. At the bottom in bullish market, repeat to the process, but call become put and put become call. The near monthly expiry market may show big movement in one direction, so try to take advantage of this movement. As per the near monthly expiry market may show big movement in the one direction, so try to take advantage of this movement as per the option chain data and market trends. As per option chain data, the Hero plan will start on the day of expiry after 1 p.m. at a price between 1 and 10 maximum losses of rupees 1000, because the 2 times price has gone from 1 to 9 and the 5 times price has gone from 5 to 20. Buy without gap nearest of expiry after comparison between Nifty Midcap Select and Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank, Nifty 50 after 1 p.m. after checking all data, because from here premium ticket remains unchanged and keep only 1 strike price and change the strike price only after 50 pounds change. Save yourself from premium decay by buying on a regular interval after 1 p.m. or on a near expiry day. Never buy near the start of expiry or in the morning, because during this period premiums and decay are very heavy. 16. Stop loss rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. Mantra 19 points. Rainbow Team Life is discipline, else death. In the money, hourly momentum towards global market chart trend, support, resistance, targets, stop loss plan. Stop loss rule 1. Never buy, call or put together. Buy one lot 550 points in the money, call in green or put in red. From support or resistance, increase quantity in profit only. 1. Try to make your entry difficult so that you can exit your trades easily. 2. Decide exit before entry. 3. Strategy limit at any point of time. Do not try to execute 2 to 3 strategies. 4. Manage your funds wisely. 5. Do not trade with borrowed funds. 6. Don't overtrade. 7. Follow strict stop loss and target levels. 8. Never panic. 9. Be patient. 10. Stay updated. 11. Don't buy deep out of the money OTM options just because it is cheap. 12. Time works against the buyer of the option and in favor of the seller of the option. Hence, closer to expiry it is not a very good idea to buy options. 13. Volatility is one of the essential factors to determine the value of an option. So it's generally advised to buy options when market volatility is expected to increase and sell options when volatility is expected to decrease. 14. Ahead of major events or key geopolitical risks, it is always better to be on the buy options rather than to sell options. 15. Keep booking profits at regular intervals or just keep a trailing stop loss or profits. 16. Never hold position overnight without plan. Because I lose 3 lakh due to premium decay, especially on 25 July 2023. When I was holding 650 call and added 300 call. US market was positive. Market was going up slowly but premium was going down due to volatility index was going down. I cut my position 100 point down in fear of going more down. I faced huge loss due to this trade. Volatility index was going down. I cut my position 100 point down in fear of going more down. I faced huge loss due to this trade. Market recovered and closed flat. Next day market gone up because volatility index was down and US market was positive, but I could not trade and miss the golden good opportunity. 17. Calculate option premium of 4 strike price of call and put from at the money. Buy one lot of call at bottom or one lot of put at high and add one lot after each 50 point. 18. Combination of profit loss out of money, at the money, in the money trade to recover loss of each trade on one by one with and add one lot after each 50 point. 18. Combination of profit loss out of money, at the money, in the money trade to recover loss of each trade one by one with hedge trade of 100 points out of the money. 19. Keep buying 100 quantities after changing 10 points and 1 minute red candles. Always keep 500 quantities of 100 points in the money. Increase quantity for trading if the environment is favorable. Maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first targets. Table 20 to 35 points. 20. Scalping strategy. Start buying 100 points in the money. Put at least 5 days earlier of expiry 10 points near to resistance in the morning on the high and take out extra quantity after covering loss in daytime as soon as possible. 10 point near to support. 21. Always keep 100 points in the money. Put by shifting position as per momentum to take advantage of premium decay if Nifty moves upside. 22. Chant market mantra and read this plan several times during the market to know which plan is not being followed. 23. Most important rule. Keep shifting your trade near to ATM and book loss from trade which is not near to ATM. Shift to next expiry after E. 24. Zero to hero strategy works with a small price near at the money and expiry which is not near to ATM. Shift to next E. 24. Zero to hero strategy works with a small price near at the money and expiry. 25. Benefit 1. Money cannot become zero if it's not an expiry date, but your amount can be raised as much as the opportunity. 26. On 19th July 2023, Nifty 19650 price 2 times came from rupees 14 to 20, but could not sell at 20 and it closed at rupees 7. 27. So it can be traded as we were doing in HDFC Bank, RBL Bank and Yes Bank. Buy in deep and sell on high. 28. Biggest mistake of the day was not hedging at 2:30 p.m. and 3:20 p.m. and 9:15 a.m. 29. Second, I could not buy or sell a cheap price put or call when the market was given an opportunity. 30. Bull call spread, bull put spread, bear call spread, bear put spread to start learning and practicing hedging. 31. Trend changes with weekly candle color. Market become volatile when candle color change. First reversal always gives a bounce back by the waiting trader time to buy and sell. Between 2:30 p.m. to 10 a.m. to avoid premium decay, always trade towards trend. Between 2:30 p.m. to 10 a.m. to avoid 32. 4 types of market. 1. Up plan 1, 2 down plan 2, 3 outbreak and volatile plan 3. 4. Range bond. Avoid trade fast change plan 1 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 and 2. 33. Always keep at the money and out of the money for hedging opposite side of trade only, but I face of rupees 60,000 by losing all hedge amount. 34. So sell out of the money trade, book loss on the same side, say on the same day, but the same quantity or only some extra share of that the money. Due to this mistake, I face loss of 1 lakh. 35. If you keep a big quantity, then hedge with 100 to 200 points out of the money, buy in the evening and sell in the morning after momentum to avoid premium decay. In case of profit, the minimum stop loss is given. In case of profit, following would be the maximum stop loss. 2_46. 18. Profit stop loss. 2,000, 200, 5,000, 2,000, 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 10,000 and so on. If we have kept the call or put for protection or hedging, then increase the quantity with profit only. If market is going in one direction, then the strike price of that direction is available at a very high rate, but strike price of opposite direction is available at cheap price, which we can buy for price of that direction is available at a very high rate, but strike price of opposite direction is available at cheap price, which we can buy for protection, and when direction gets changed, then cheap becomes costly by increasing or decreasing premium. As at the same time, the call is available at less than premium and put is available at more than the premium. Must book profit time to time as per support and resistance from where we can buy it. Again, if market moves forward or backward slide, patience is very important for stock market and option trading. We can keep patience only if we have less quantity and we are in profit. For Hero Zero plan, best time is near to 3 p.m. Best place is near to 100 points. Second best place is near to 50 points. Best environment is global market is favorable and cross common staples between place. If a share is the under protection of any share and is showing a profit in total profit and loss, then we can keep it. How to trade with the trend? If the market crosses all-time high or any high in normal movement in the daytime, not at an opening or closing time, then buy one lot call, keep 50 points down from previous immediate all-time high, stop loss, increase the quantity as per plan and in profit only. If the market starts making minutes, hour, day, week, month, red candle than its initial. Some small, medium, large sign of either retracement or reversal. Identify it is retracement or reversal. Key 50 points up for all-time high. Stop loss increase the quantity as per plan and in profit only. Retracement generally lasts for a shorter term, typically for no longer than 1 to 2 weeks, whereas reversal can last for a long term, including more than a few weeks. In retracement from up, buy call in deep and sell call with no premium on high. In reversal from up, buy put from up and sell put at down. In retracement from down, buy put from up and sell same put at down. In a reversal from down, buy call from in down and sell on high. Reversal can last for fortnights, months and years. 7 types of trading day. Which types of market which strategy plan to adopt to trade? Identifies the market moved according to which number? Market types. 1. Market moves very fast against your trade in one direction only. This is a sign of a very strong market. Mistake. We could identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solutions. Use staples. Keep only one lot. Don't trade but watch the market. Take trade in trend direction with stop loss. Market moves very fast against your trade in one direction, but moves 1 or 2 times or several times in the other direction also. This is a sign of very strong market on one side, but there is an initial sign of trend reversal. Mistake. We could identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solution. Use stop loss. Keep only one lot. Don't trade but watch the market. Take trade in trend direction but keep some quantity of other direction also. 3. Market moving up and down but closing against our trade. This is a sign of a very strong market on one side, but there is some sign of trend reversal. Mistake. We could identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solutions. Use stop loss. Keep only one lot, but don't trade but watch the market. Take trade in trend direction but keep half quantity, double and half sequence in another direction also. 4. Market moved very slowly, 10 points up and down but closing flat. This is the first sign of retracement or reversal. Slowly your loss is increasing. In this circumstances, keep both call and put. You will get at least 50 points movement in the morning or evening or any time. Take advantage of that opportunity to take your today's profit. Mistake. We could identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solutions. Use stop loss. Keep only one lot. Don't trade but watch the market. Take trade in trend direction but keep half quantity, double and half sequence in another direction also. 5, 6, 7. The market is moving towards your trade in 5 fast, 6 medium or 7 slow speed. Then keep trading as per your plan. 19. If quantity increased, call side, put side or both sides without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Clean 9 paragraphs. Start with 50 puts and 50 calls. Increase quantity only on the profit side. Whenever strike price comes in below profit, exit from all holdings except one lot before profit comes in below 2000. Increase the quantity again if it makes a profit. If quantity increased, call side, put side or both sides without profit and without plan, reduce the quantity to one lot. Yesterday's market was for scalping because it was moving more than 30 points up and down, but we were adding stop loss which was hitting it again and again. Today's call did not hit stop loss single times as the market was in trend and not jumping too high or low, but we were averaging or hedging and faced huge losses. We made a hero zero plan with put, but we did not make a hero zero plan with call and faced huge losses. Later, we corrected our mistake and made a hero zero plan for the call side also and handled our trade. So we need to make a hero zero plan for both put and call and 50 points in the money. Whichever side goes into profit, increase quantity on that side. The biggest mistake was that we did not make a plan hero zero towards the call side. Hero zero means changing the strike price as per price movement. For example, if we are getting profit on the put side and we have a 20,100 strike price, as the market goes down, change the strike price from 20,100 to 20,050, 20,000 to 19,950 and so on. Previously, we bought so many strike prices in one time and faced huge losses due to premium decay. The same mistake we made today was that in expectation of the market going down, we bought too many strike prices on the put side, but the market moved towards the upside and we faced a huge loss. So never buy too many strikes at once. Buy only one call and one put strike at a time. Whenever needed, shift from one strike price to the next strike price. Try to square off position at 925 because thereafter rapid premium decay starts. Tomorrow plan. Tomorrow, if the market goes down, the hero zero plan will be with put. If the market goes up, the hero zero plan will be with call. Always try to buy cheap and sell at higher rate. 20. Suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and old put table to follow. Table. In the stock market, 80% of psychology works. Never lose money, so never trade without a plan. Start Friday at 10 a.m. by taking 50 calls and 50 puts. Book profit and start fresh after crossing 30 to 70 points. And on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. The profit side of a call and put would always be bigger than the loss side by adding or selling. Increase profit and quantity from support or resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money. Cover loss from profit. 1. The given table is for profit in a down market only, so this must be used when market is going down. 2. For profit in the up market, put would be the base. Increase the quantity of calls as per profit to cover losses and increase profit. 3. For profit in consolidation, buy and sell call and put at a difference of at least ₹5. 4. The put must not be less than the given table. Buy the call, but the call may be 0 to double as per profit and environment. 5. If money is not sufficient, so this plan can be implemented on expiry day. Lakshmi did not listen to her father's instruction, advice and indications and took decision as owner and above her father. 1. Buy and sell call at a ₹5 difference, not followed. 2. Keep and increase profits, not followed. 3. We did not follow the plan. 4. Take a decision in greed. So she took a final loss of 1,91,000 on 6 September 2023. 5. We need to follow our 5 plans along with all other plans and rules. 6. Lakshmi's father, Uma Saraswati and Harshita did not follow the plan and did not cross-check whether the plan was followed in trading or not. So they are also responsible for the loss. 7. Stop loss not followed. 8. We did not think about what we would do if the market go up or sideways, but only put without thinking. This is the old put table. Stop. 21 improvements suggested after 2,50,000 loss. 5 paragraph. Start with 50 call and 50 put. Never do anything in raw side. Increase profit and quantity by scalping profit side. Only fresh start and stop loss points would be 70 and 30. Always try to decrease price by scalping, but quantity must be minimum controllable or bearable limit. If we have less money and want a big profit, then the above plan can be implemented in the hero style, keeping in mind the trend and the market. Never do anything in hero or anything in raw side because we want to hero out of the money. We have taken a loss of 1,000 when we were doing hero again the trend with huge loss. We got a loss of 1 lakh. In this way, we face huge losses by tying different rules. So never trade against the trend and plan. Our stop loss is 70 and 30 points when it's reaching near to loss. Entry can be minimum 10 point and maximum 30 point. For area in scalping profit side only to remain in profit as much as possible, because before reaching to loss we were exit from the trade. I was never disciplined, due to which I lost my all money, because I would never learn how to take a loss, and also I could not take a loss myself. So you must take loss and must learn how to take a loss, and you must accept loss from heart, and you must treat loss as normal process and hard truth. So start stop loss option trading. If you cannot book loss when your option buying call or put, because at the money or out of the money, and you also book loss in option selling. When your call or put become in the money, you must also learn how to book loss profit by changing the strike price and selling high strike price, and buying in the money low strike price. But always keep in mind that how to lock your profit means whichever profit you have getting, that must not be converted into loss, because several time I was in big profit but market gave reversal and my big profit converted into big loss. So always be prepared for big reversal. First start with one lot with no premium. When it's reach to profit and market is in the trend, then buy one lot of next strike price. Keep continuing the same, then buy big quantity at the small strike price. Strike as per loss taking capacity. Take a risk on the profit only if it goes to loss. Cover loss from previously bought large strike price which is in a profit. Plan A for big profit. Identify the trend change point at the very stage in advance. After checking market strategy, data, global environment and future environments and news, journally market may charge its trend on date 15 towards to downside due to overbought, because the market goes only comprehension is normally market goes up. So most of the time on the first day, monthly expiry or weekly expiry, market opens upside, or on the expiry of monthly conduct, the wool would month of if the market has downside, then there is more possible to move the in downside. Hero trade can be taken on this point. Most of the market don't change in direction to go down at once. Normally, circumstances first it gives an hourly candle closer to red, then day, week, month candle closer to in red. It's in direction or trend reversal towards down, but anytime the market can go up or down due to the environment or news. Most of the time market remember to positive move in normal circumstances. That is the way most of the time the premium of the call remembers high. Most of the time the market opens at high and goes downside. May 21 by 5 Rainbow team member. Image 822. There will be different entry for continuation and different entry for reversal. If it goes to 50 or 100 for first time, there would be 95% or chance of reversal. If it goes to 50 or 100 for the second, third or fourth time, then we can transfer continuation trade as it's showing its power. 50 points in the money is the best option with entry with 50 call and 50 put, and 50 put profit would be greater, loss would be less in this sequence. Entry as per market trend, support and resistance. Entry with 50 call and 50 put increase the quantity of profit between double and half. Never give a gap in trade because during two period we may miss the big opportunity, and then for taking advantage of the missed opportunity we can face a huge loss, as we have taken a loss of 35,000 on September 14, 2023. This video is to request, identify, learn, discuss and compare today's market with plan given on all 23 pages. Follow the timetable, get involved in all work, don't get involved in endless work. Watch, inform and discuss 7 videos, 7 topics daily as per timetable. Read book daily, improve your reading, writing, listening, speaking, action, study option trading, stock market, school syllabus and UPSC syllabus together by linking to each other.